Beyoğlu, Taksim and İstiklal Caddesi form the beating heart of modern Istanbul, where the city's past and present meet in a vibrant mix of history, culture and urban life. Once known as Pera during the Ottoman era, Beyoğlu was the district where foreign embassies, European merchants and artists settled, giving it a cosmopolitan atmosphere that continues to this day. Its elegant 19th century architecture, bustling streets, art galleries, cafes and nightlife make it one of the most dynamic areas of Istanbul, drawing both locals and visitors who come to experience its unique energy. At the centre of Beyoğlu lies Taksim Square, the city's most famous public space and a symbolic meeting point for Istanbulites. The name Taksim, meaning distribution, comes from the Ottoman water distribution system built there in the 18th century, which channeled water to various parts of the city. Today, Taksim Square is dominated by the Republic Monument, unveiled in 1928 to commemorate the founding of the Turkish Republic. Around the square are major hotels, restaurants and cultural landmarks, including the Atatürk Cultural Centre, a hub for opera, ballet and concerts. Taksim has long been the stage for national celebrations, parades and political gatherings, making it both a historical and emotional focal point of the nation. Stretching from Taksim Square to the Galata district, İstiklal Caddesi is one of Istanbul's most iconic streets. Once known as the Grand Rue de Pera, it was the elegant boulevard of 19th century Constantinople, lined with European-style shops, consulates, embassies and theatres. Today, it remains a lively pedestrian avenue filled with boutiques, international brands, bookshops, patisseries, cinemas and street performers. The nostalgic red tram that slowly runs along its length is a beloved symbol of the area, offering a charming reminder of old Istanbul amid the fast-paced modern scene. Wandering down İstiklal Caddesi reveals countless architectural treasures, from neoclassical and Art Nouveau facades to historical passages such as Çiçek Passage, once a theatre and now home to bustling restaurants and meyhanes serving traditional Turkish dishes. The nearby Galata Tower High School, one of the oldest and most prestigious schools in Turkey, stands as a reminder of the district's intellectual and cultural heritage. At the lower end of the street, the Galata area beckons with its narrow lanes and the famous Galata Tower, a medieval stone watchtower offering panoramic views across the Bosphorus, the Golden Horn and the domes of the city. Beyond the main street, the back streets of Beyoğlu reveal a different side of Istanbul, filled with hidden cafes, antique shops, art galleries and live music venues. Neighbourhoods like Cihangir, Asmani Mescid and Karaköy each have their own personality, from bohemian charm to contemporary style. Together, Beyoğlu, Taksim and İstiklal Caddesi tell the story of Istanbul's transformation from imperial capital to a global metropolis, blending layers of history, art, diversity and daily life into one endlessly fascinating district where the spirit of the city can truly be felt.